In this video, I'll show you how to install Vault app to your Android TV. This is a very simple process. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this YouTube channel. So if you want to install the Vault app to your Android TV, what you have to do is to come to this application I love using so much called Downloader. Downloader is a very useful application to your smart TV that helps you install, download, or get any files from across the internet. So if you don't have Downloader on your smart TV, just check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to help you get the download application to your smart TV. After you install the downloader to your smart TV, all you have to do is launch it, come to the search box here and search for the keyword Vault or Vault app, anyone. So once you search for the keyword Vault, you're going to click on Go and downloader is going to show you where you can install Vault to your Android TV from across the internet. So Vault is an application that can help you hide images, hide pictures, hide media, and also hide your application. So here's the option here. So you can go ahead and choose this option. And once you choose this option, it's going to show you the install button. They can then click to install the application to your Android TV. It's a very easy process. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel.